Hi guys. So I don't know, like I kind of have like the same outfits, so I'm kind of in the process of making 3 videos at the same time because I just feel like it would be better to have like a separate video for this and this. So this is videos just about how to clean your water bottles for your small pet, guinea pig, hamster, whatever it is that you have that you use water bottles for. So I'm going to show you how dirty they look. So this is what they look like. It is dirty. Over time they kind of get like that. So yes, so all you'll need is I prefer to use a little funnel thing or whatever to help keep it in. So I'm gonna show you how I do. I just want you to see how gross this water bottle looks. Ew. So yeah, I'm gonna put a funnel over here, and I'm gonna put some white rice. I don't know. I'm just gonna use something and just put it in here. So it's just the funnel helps the rice go in. That's why I'm using it. So I'm putting a little pinch of rice there and there. That should be enough. So looks like all of it went in. Now I'm going to fill this up with a little bit of water. Now I have it. I'm gonna use my finger. No, sorry. The lighting here is horrible. Use my finger, and I'm going to shake it all around. Make sure you get your fingers, just circle it until all the gunk is gone. Cause guys, yeah, see, it's already gone now. I don't know, it's something about the rice that helps with it, but yeah. This just happens to me probably like every month or something. So I just said it's about time that I do it. And look, it looks like it's brand new. So I'm just gonna clean this and just basically put some soap on it. But yeah, it's hard to get in there because I tried to put soap in here before. It just didn't work. And I was like, how am I going to do it? And this water looks disgusting. So yes, that's just basically a short video on how you literally clean the inside of it. I say still just put some soap in here, shake it up a bit, make sure it's really clean and stuff. And there we go. If you like that water bottle video, thank you for watching. Bye bye. And also tell me what other videos I should do. Yeah.
We're done.